Hi, Tita Vic. We wish you all 60th blessed years of your life. I hope you have many more birthdays to come. Until now, nagkaapo na tayo. Still remains. I love you. Happy birthday.
Enjoy your day. God bless. God bless. Enjoy your day. God bless. More birthdays to come.
Birthday, Vic!
Sana mabusog mo kami.
Happy birthday!
Mula siya play?
Happy birthday, Vic!
Ano yung sobra?
Kana ulat. Sige.
Oh.
Happy birthday!
Ano siya, ma'am?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa'yo!
Happy birthday!
Maligayang bati! Maligayang bati! Maligayang bati! Happy birthday, Day!
Happy birthday lang, ga!
Tajoy Langga! Happy birthday, Day! Maribik!
You know?
Hello, good morning. Happy birthday, Marivic. Wishing you a happy birthday filled with joy and happiness. Enjoy your day and with your family. We still never see each other, but you're still in my thoughts. Our friendship will never end. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi Vic, good day. Happy 60th birthday. And thank you sa friendship natin since elementary days. Thank you. God bless. Happy birthday, Mrs. Koda.
Hi Maribik! Wishing you a happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. God bless. Habu!
Hello mga ka-birds. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening around the world. Hi Marivic. Happy birthday to you. Advance happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. Keep safe.
Hi, Vic. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health, good luck, and more years. Sorry I cannot make it. Kabalo ka. Bag-ura po ko ni uli sa Pinas. And it was a short notice. I wish unta nga I could have attended. Pero maybe next time. Love you, Vic. Bye-bye.
Hello, Ate Marivic. We would like to let you know how grateful we are to have you in our life. You are the closest family we have here in Europe. We wish you this year to have more love and more adventures. Happy 60th birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Hi Auntie, good day. Hi Auntie Marivic. Happy birthday. I just wish you good health and wish you the happiness in life. I just want to say thank you so much for everything that you've done for our family, all your sacrifices, all your grind, all your hard work for us. Just want to say we are so grateful to you. You are a kind and a loving person. Just want to say that we are grateful, and even though we cannot see each other on a daily basis, we just want to say that we are always thinking of you. We miss you so much, and we hope to see you soon next year. Again, I will not have this message too long. But my message is thank you, and I wish you all the best in life. I love you so much, Auntie.
Auntie, happy birthday. I hope and pray that you will spend more birthdays and for you to be healthy and happy. And also, we would like to thank you for all that you do, for all the love and support, being very kind and generous to us all. And we may not be able to give back financially, but please know that you are always in our thoughts and in our prayers. Please take care always. We love you and happy birthday. And we will see you again in the future. Thank you and bye.
Hello, Ate Marivic. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate.
From Bologna, Italia. See you soon. I hope you guys are okay. We love you. Bye-bye.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday.
2, 1. Happy birthday, we love you so much.
Okay, Marivic, we are happy you're celebrating your 60th birthday, and it's a milestone. You have been into so many trials in life, but we are proud that you conquered it. Okay? And we are, Auntie Terry and I is wishing you a very, very healthy and more happy birthdays to come. I hope we are there to celebrate with you and eat all the good food that I know you can cook. And we are so glad that you raised two beautiful girls, and I believe you already have a grandson. Arthur would have been very proud and happy on this your day. So, from the Floridians, happy birthday. We are sending you our blessings and our love. Bye-bye.
Greetings from the balmy, beautiful Philippines. Hello, Marivic. I know you're celebrating your 60th special birthday today, and I wanted to wish you a very happy, fabulous birthday. Greetings from the Philippines, from Basilan. Happy birthday, Tita Marivic!
Hi, Marivic. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday anniversary today on your special day. I wish you good health, wisdom, and prosperity in life. Enjoy your birthday today together with your loved ones, your family and friends over there in Belgium. So, I wish you again, and before I forget, always pray to the Lord our God for giving you another year of prosperity and productive years in your life. God bless you.
Hi, Marivic. You are celebrating your 60th birthday today. I'm wishing you happiness, good health. You are a good provider to your family. You are blessed with 2 children, Tracy and Keisha, and now you are enjoying with your apu. Enjoy your life always, Marivic. Happy birthday again. May God bless you always. You are beautiful inside and out. I love you.
Hi, Marivic. Happy birthday. May you have a good one, especially with your wonderful grandchildren. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Marivic.
Yeah, hi Auntie, good day. Yeah, another video from me, but this time we're in Bindoy with Lola. So on behalf of Lola, we want to greet you happy birthday. Thank you so much for everything and for the support that you provided us. We wish you good health and we wish you happiness. And see you soon, Auntie Marivic. We love you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Vic. Amo lang siyempre kaliyab na si
Happy birthday, Lola
Ardy.
Vic. Happy birthday, Lola Vic.
Ano?